So, how to install a walk-in corner larder. It may sound very daunting. Although we have fitted hundreds of kitchens, we never actually have fitted a walk-in corner larder. So, we are doing it today in our own house. So, we'll try to show you as much as we can, the step-by-step, how to do it. Ever go and try. So this unit is from DIY Kitchens, and is, when you buy the unit, has everything inside, including the wine rack, the shelves, everything. Be aware that some suppliers is just the skeleton, just the carcass of the walk-in larder, not the kit out inside. You will have to buy all the shelves and the wine rack and everything else. With DIY Kitchens, is all included. They cost just over £1,000, and that obviously includes the doors that you choose as well. So very good value for money. So follow your common sense. If you ever fitted flat pack furniture, you will be okay with it. Let me show you. Okay, kitchen assembly. Don't panic. You're going to have a million pieces to put together. We already put the base and the legs. From DIY Kitchens, these legs are really good, okay? So you fit them in and twist, and they're fixed. We have a box full of goodies and 2 bags full of goodies. I understand for anyone that is not experienced at fitting kitchens can be very daunting. So you just take one step at a time, okay? And eventually all these million pieces, they will come together. So you just take one stage at a time. This is an L shape. This will be going in the bottom, and that's why we are putting the feet on it. And I'm going to start with these little wood dwellings, okay? If you can see, I'm sure if you have assembled any flat pack, you have seen them before. This is something that you know very well. Another piece is that wood dwellings, okay? And this is pretty much the basic of the install. So as we showed you in the video, you have the 2 big panels that you need to attach to the base. You have the feet, and what Mr. B is doing now is just leveling the unit. That there is because we choose to have light kit. So when we open the larder, lights come on. So that is something different. And here is the wine rack. And I'll show you in the video. You put that little things in there, okay? This is, as let's call it, the ceiling of the unit, the top of the unit. And as you can see there, the screws already on where the wine rack is going to sit. And that is the next stage. So, to review this with you, we need to put the feet first on the L-shaped piece. Put all the little screws and them to come together and turn, just like any other piece of flat pack furniture.